everyone, Amanda here. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm here today to share my second Journaling J.O.Y collection. So Journaling J.O.Y is a series of 12 journals that I am creating. Journaling J.O.Y stands for Journal Our Year. So that's one journal every month for 12 months, and each one has a theme which fits within the month that it's for. So this is January's Journaling J.O.Y, available in December because I do them a month in advance. Okay, and this is called Winter Woods. It's a beautiful, beautiful collection. Last month's was the December Daily. So as you can see, very different styles, very different designs. This was a really fun and cutesy one. This is just totally beautiful. So every month will be different, okay? And we will do a different cover style every month as well. I did a tutorial on how to create the cover for the December Daily and how to put it together. And I did a couple of videos to give inspiration and ideas. So I'm going to do the same for this one as well. So let's have a look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. So here we've got the Winter Woods. That's the general idea of the collection. And the main colour throughout is different tones of blue. So here's the next one with this beautiful vintage collage background. We've got just beauty everywhere. This lovely water, I'm really into watercolour kind of look at the moment. So we've got a lovely watercolour effect and this beautiful, beautiful stag, absolutely magnificent. Okay, and then the next one, we've got a similar kind of collage, but here we've got a snowy owl instead, within the Winter Woods. Absolutely stunning. Then, because the idea of Journaling J.O.Y is to create writing journals so that you don't have to fill every single page with flips and pockets and tucks. We let the paper do the work and we have lots of room for writing, so your journal is functional. Decorative journals are absolutely stunning, but the idea of Journaling J.O.Y is to create a journal every month for 12 months that's functional to either use yourself, gift, or indeed sell, because you can sell any of your creations using my collections. So we've got this defined split journaling page with room for writing and these beautiful folds. Absolutely stunning. I know I'm biased, but they're stunning. And here we've got the lovely winter hair there. And again, more room for writing with some vintage detail and more beautiful watercolour. And then here we've got a bit more of a plainer page, but with still the beautiful decorative element of the blue stag there. Defined writing elements there. So this is a vintage like note paper that I've superimposed onto there. And every month in these collections, there are defined writing pages and a few very basic planner pages. Which I'll show you. Don't be worried by the word planner. It's not a big massive planner. It's just a few calendar sheets to help you each month plan what you're doing. So here's another one with the beautiful Arctic wolf there. He's absolutely stunning. So we've got his full form there, and then here we've got a close-up of his beautiful face. Absolutely stunning. And you've got consistency throughout. The pages are all the same colour tones. I've kept the design work simple so that there's not too many kind of clashing elements or things don't just look plonked. It all just mingles and blends in beautifully. So your journal's going to look absolutely stunning. And here's another one with the lovely squirrel getting ready for winter. Absolutely stunning. And we've got the lovely tones there in his fur, which just looks striking against the blues there. And then we've got this one again with defined writing lines, with the lovely winter robin, with a little touch of vintage and a tiny little bit of florals, although I've tried to stay floral free on this one because I've got plans for another collection which will have florals in. Again, writing pages. So each month I'm going to try and do different kinds of writing pages. But if you did get the December Daily, the writing pages that were in that collection, you can also reprint again and use in this collection. So you're building up, a 12-month collection of all different kinds of pages that can suit any journal. Okay. So here's what I'm talking about when I talk about planner page. It's just a monthly page. And here we've got Sunday. I started last month, I started with Monday, and a few people sort of said, oh, that's not right, you've done it wrong. But so I've changed it. So we're starting with Sunday this month. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it goes across that way on this one. Okay, and then we've got more writing there. And then here's the monthly layout. So you'd have that in the centre of a signature so that you can see the full month. And again, we've got Sunday, and so you go down for the weeks of the month, like so, and you can write your appointments or whatever you like. Okay. What's this one? Oh, here's another writing journal page. So like I say, you've got these pages, you can print them out as many times as you like. So you don't have to rely on coffee and tea dyed papers, which are difficult to do in the winter time especially. You've got your defined pages, you just print that out to a page, print them out as many times as you like. Okay, and here's another beautiful collage background, absolutely stunning, with some vintage newspaper. I think this was a newspaper article. And then here we've got some more lovely wintry animals. Now, there are quite a few members in my group who are not obviously in winter at the moment, but this is still really useful because all you need to do is create the journal and then change the month sheet. So instead of putting January in, you'd put whatever month your winter time is in instead. So, you know, you can create a head. So here we've got some beautiful circles. I've put a lovely beveled edge on them to make dangles or whatever for your journals. And we've got some lovely journaling cards there. Okay, then I've done some page tabs using the decorative backgrounds. Now I've made these quite big and chunky, so they're going to look really cool on the edge of our pages. Also, by making them larger, it makes them easier to cut out. They're not small and fiddly. Okay, and there's also plenty of room there if you want to add words or, you know, punch holes. It's just a little bit more substantial. Then I've created some small tags, and the reinforcers here you can see I've created using one of the patterns. Now I've only done a few tags. I've done 4 small ones because I just think that if you want larger tags, all you need to do is print out another one of the pages and cut your own tags. Okay, so but these are the smaller ones because it's easier for me to shrink them down accurately than you try and resize at home. Otherwise it will make all of the images go skew with. So here we've got some more circles, either for decorating or you can layer on the smaller ones that I showed you previously to make double layered embellishments. And then we've just got a few words here. I'm not big on sentiments in my journals. I don't feel the need to stick them on every single element in my journal, but it's nice to have some. So there's just a few there to add to your tags or your pockets or whatever you like. Then we've got background pages, and I've done quite busy patterns. So we've got them in, that's that way, and that's that way. We've got them in several different shades of blue, but they're all mix and match with the blues that are in the collection, so they'll all coordinate. And the idea of these is obviously you can use them to decorate your pages, make your pockets, whatever you like, help decorate your journal cover with. Layer up your tags on them. You can cut these smaller tags out and layer them up on one of the patterns. So I just think that the patterns really are going to bring focal points to your journal pages. If I just show you in the December daily how I used some of this. So here I gave A4 sheets of dotted, for example. So here I've just taken a small bit of it and I've ripped it and turned it into a pocket. And then that's helped brighten up that kind of plain journaling page. So there's lots and lots of things you can do. And I do a different cover design every month. So I've got a tutorial on how I created this. And you know, this month is going to be a different design. I will be doing a tutorial on it so that you can follow along. And then last month, you know, I did a couple of videos showing some decorative elements. For example, in this one, I use these plastic wallets, you know, so I do share, you know, and give ideas and flip throughs and things that you can do. So if you're interested in this collection, it is not for sale in my shop. Everybody asked for the December daily. It's not for sale. So these Journaling J.O.Y collections are exclusive to my Ko-fi subscribers. So they pay £3 a month to access my subscription club. And they get one of these Journaling J.O.Y collections, 20-page collections every month, along with lots of other things as well. Okay. They also get discount codes. We've just had a massive discount code last month for 50% off. I will, you know, now and again do discount codes for different things. It won't always be 50% off, but, you know, for certain things. So they get discount codes. Any cutting guides that I do for making the folios, they get those free. They get heaps of stuff. So I did a specific video showing people what my subscription club's all about and how exactly to go about joining. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box below this video. So if you're interested in joining and you're interested in collecting these journals, so this was Journaling J.O.Y 1, okay, and this is 2, and there's going to be another 10 to collect. If you're interested, then go and check out the video and come and join us. There's a heaps of people in there now. With a lot of people. It's very popular because, you know, I treat my subscribers like royalty. It's as simple as that. So come along and join us if you love this collection, and keep an eye out for my videos sharing how to make a different style cover and giving inspiration on using this collection. If you're already a Ko-fi subscriber, get yourself over to the Ko-fi site, to the subscription site, and get this downloaded. It's there ready and waiting. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.